Right. Yes. Welcome. Yeah, very sorry that we started from the middle, but all in all, yeah, the cornrows, as you can see, it is puffy, and just we used the method of the inwards cornrow. Yeah, for those ones who know, because that is the only cornrow that we always do here. And I told you the reason why we do that kind of cornrow is just because for them they last more longer than the other. So crocheting it is also the same, though here the difference is we are not going to crochet it like let's say to crochet it like how we always use we always lock the crochet. You just pass it once in the middle, just like that, and then the only thing added is just twisting it. There are times this crochet is supposed to be twisted, like let's say the direction of clockwise, so you can also try and clockwise and see how it is going to come out. So I tried to make it and clockwise and it gave me this. So that is how the style was created. And this time around, the only thing that you need to mark in your head is that as you're crocheting, you have to make sure that you pack this hair very well. Just have to pack it very well so that you create that bigger volume, because sometimes whenever it grows, the more it grows, the more it shrinks. So we make sure that we pack it very well, and when we pack it, it makes the head to not to lose the shape. Let's say that when you put few, this person might want like maybe to lean on something. This is why you find people after sleeping, waking up, the shape is already lost. So you just have to make sure that you pack it very well, as you can see. Yes, before we go very far, let me first introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, this is where you always find different types of hairstyles, and I always make sure that I upload a video every week, yes, for us to learn. So if it's your first time, I would like you to make it a point, click on the red button, ring the bell, and please, you can always leave me a like. If possible, go in the comment section, ask any question that you want to learn, and I'll be there to answer you. So let's try to see how this is going to work out, and at least here you have learned how it's supposed to be done. And I think I can speed it up and we go to the main point, like the hair extensions that we used.
This is for you, my love. Kanakaimba kako mukwano. This is for you, my love. Kanakaimba kako mukwano. Kanakaimba kako, kako, kako. Kanakaimba kako, kako, kako.
This is for you. Oh my god. You know I'm just a rapper. I can't sing. It's Steve Morris and DJ King.
This is for you. This is for you. Oh, this is for you.
And yes, as we are finishing this is how we were twisting it. And now let's try to see how we are gonna do our finishing, because yes, our hair is already packed very well. You can see how packed it is, so make sure at least you pack this hair very well, because the more you pack, the more it looks nice and it doesn't lose a shape at all. So those ones who might think for it to be heavy, it is not heavy at all. It is not heavy at all. Now we have to make sure that it is moisturized. You know, most of these crochet, that is how you can always maintain them. Yes, if you have the hair moss, you just add in it the hair moss, the moisturizers. Those ones are the best spray that you can always add in this hair. And those ones who don't have the spray, you can always mix hair with oil or water with oil, and still you spray inside. Trust me, it will always be free, not tangled at all. And that's how we want. Now here we're trying to shape, we are trying to give it that volume, like most of this the side, because when we are doing the fringe, something like that, we don't make our crochet like to overfall in our face, so we need to leave that gap between. It shouldn't be that round, you understand? So we're going to see it after this. So most of the times I would see some people try to add in pins and then they leave them there. It is not good at all. At least you rather sew there. Yes, and someone's going to ask me if now I want to do it this way, if I want to style it this way. Of course, this is just a thread. You can always remove it and you do your part. Now, this is the hair extension that we are using. I know most of you keep on asking questions, same questions about the hair extension that we use. Yes, this is how it looks, and it is called Spring Twist. Yes, from Gina Collection. You can see how this looks like. So if you want it, yes, go and order it for yourself. Yes, this is how it looks. So you can trim this into 3 and then you start your twisting. So before that, you can also try to add in it water so that it doesn't be difficult for you as you're twisting or as you're splitting it. Yes, just like that. As you're splitting it, it shouldn't tangle. Yes, so after all this is how it looks, and you might use 2 to 3 pieces, but you shouldn't exceed that. It will be you'll be just wasting, but it should be 2 to 3. Yeah, those ones are going to be enough. And this is how it looks. I love it already. And now let's try to trim our hair. Now as you're trimming, of course, as in the procedures when it comes to doing these crochet, you just have to trim accordingly. Like don't just shape. Now those people who you can see when they're doing this fringe, there's the way they shape it and it looks equal. But trust me, when you do that and it is all equal, it will look like someone's just putting it on. It's just like a hat, a cape on top, or just like a wig. So you just have to leave that natural look. Yeah, when you that's when you're going to see there's some long, someone short, just like that's how you trim the crochet. Yeah, because we all know that those ones from down, they're not equal. They cannot be equal to those ones in on top. You understand? So it means our crochet have to follow the steps as you're trimming. Like they have to be in the steps. Yes, from down long, the next shorter, and the other one shorter, just like that. Yes, but they're not supposed to be equal. Yeah, that one is always very, very hard. So you make sure that you trim it very nicely and until we reach at the point that we want. For me, I already love it, and yes, I would advise like those who love big crazy hair. Yes, you can try in this, and it's very, very easy to maintain. Even when you just shower, like, sorry, those who love swimming, yes, as soon as possible it is already dry. Yes, that's what I love about this hair. So for me, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and you can always go right in the comment section, tell me where you're watching this video from. You can leave me with a like. I always love that. And another thing, I would like to remind you that our beauty school is open. For the next January intake, you come and join us. Yes, we are waiting for you. Admission is in progress, so you can come and join us so that we can learn together. Yes, for now, I'm gonna be signing out, and may the Lord bless you all. Bye bye. See ya.
Chitayo, engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch.